13. And I guess this is the official gun ordinance of the city.
1881.
Yeah, it's got us in the stupid picture. And then where the shootout happened. Yeah. Okay. And the gunfight site. And then here's the historic location marker. So just up from the OK Corral is this place. And this used to be the Can restaurant and all kinds of, with several different things, even a Piggly Wiggly, I guess. So now it's a photo place. Yeah, pretty cool. Yep, see if it says on there.
There's a medical facility too.
Wow, medical facility, a Piggly Wiggly. Wow, that is pretty cool.
Coin shop in the 1970s.
Coin shop. Oh, wow,
Yeah.
really? Old time picture of it. Yeah. And then across the street over there, the visitor center, that was a bank, right? So.
What was the
Oh, I think there's Pima Cochise. Ah, okay. Yeah, it's the old visitor center. We had this in other videos of ours. And the Chamber of Commerce is down there, and the book nook where they do the haunted house. Remember we brought the kids down there? Let's go look at the plaque.
I was one that was scared, not them.
Yeah.
I hate scary things.
Yep, number 15, the Cochise County Bank. And that's it right there.
Yep.
Very cool. Yep, and it was apparently really nice inside. It was a hardware store, it's a mining company, department store, commercial company. There's a lot of things.
Yeah, lots of things.
What it looks like now. They got all kinds of cameras up there. Look at that. Keep track of what's all going on out here. Very neat.
Pretty big building.
Yeah. And so for perspective, right over there, there's the OK Corral, and then right there is the what used to be the Can restaurant, and then this is the bank and that. And then what's the next place? So right here on this corner
is the historic location of the Brown Hotel and Hafford Saloon.
Ah, cool. Let's go take a look.
It says in 1879, Charlie Brown, purchased 2 lots on the northeast corner of Allen Street. He opened the Mojave Hotel in a tent in one of the town's first hash houses.
Nice.
He replaced the tent with a 1-story frame building in short order. He had 16 bedrooms with 40 beds. By the summer of 1880, he replaced what was now called the Brown Hotel with a 2-story adobe building. It had a kitchen large enough to feed 300 people. The hotel was on the 2nd floor with the ground floor leased to businesses. Colonel Roderick Hafford leased the corner space and opened Hafford Saloon. Colonel Hafford loved birds, and the walls of the saloon were covered with pictures of birds.
Yeah, look at, there's a picture of it right here. You can see all the birds all over. Yeah.
The Earp brothers and Doc Holliday began their walk to the famous gunfight that left Billy Clanton and the McLaurys dead from Hafford Saloon.
So from the salon and saloon, just right down the walk here, was the, what was it, Mason Dory?
The Cosmopolitan Hotel.
Oh, I thought this was
and then
something here.
The 17A was the Mason Dory restaurant.
Which was this here.
Yeah.
And it doesn't, oh, it might even have a plaque. So anyway, these are all, every one of these. Let's walk down here. Because every one of these is a spot. So 17A, 17, I don't know, maybe 18, 19, but you can see them. It's like right here is one, and here's one.
Yep, 18 and then 23. 19 is in the road.
19 is in the road.
Yeah, because Morgan Earp was killed.
Okay. So let's walk over here. Let's take a look. So this one was the Cosmopolitan. Wow, these things were 2-story adobe. They had some pretty extensive buildings here. So 17 was the Cosmopolitan. That's this. And this was a restaurant. This was the Mason, M-A-S-O-N.
M-A-I-S-O-N.
Oh, Mason. I don't know, some kind of French thing. So there's that, and then
It was part of the hotel.
okay. And then down here, probably the Cosmopolitan. All in here was all part of this. This place was big. Okay. Now this says.
Oh, they had it backwards. That was a hotel. This was a restaurant.
Okay, so
Okay. Backwards.
Mrs. B had it backwards, so we're actually
the map.
at there. So this is the Cosmopolitan. So I'm gonna walk out in the road here. So this here, somewhere in here was the Cosmopolitan, and then this here was the restaurant, the Mason Dory restaurant, which was part of the hotel. And then so you can see right here, Campbell and Hatch Billiards. And this is the spot. This is spot number 18. It's the placard here. Now this is where Morgan Earp was shot, and they have 2 different plaques here for the same place. But this was the billiard hall where he was shot. You can look down the road here, and again you can see the OK Corral all the way down there in the distance. And we're just coming up Allen Street here. So we're up to number 18 or 19. Because 18 and 19. And so now we just have to continue up the road a little bit. Okay, so what's now Big Nose Kate's Saloon used to be the Grand Hotel. And we're still, like I said, using the OK Corral for perspective. And here's the plaque right here. And it's on the wall here. And this is number 20, the Grand Hotel. And then 21 is actually a spot in the road, right out here somewhere.
There'll be a placard around here somewhere.
It's up over there. So we will walk up and check it out, trying to keep as many people out of the video
And
as
22
possible.
is in the road too, because that's where Billy Claiborne was shot.
Oh, okay. This is cool. I love the old ore carts. Yeah, very cool on the all-4 cart.
Earp was ambushed.
Yeah, somewhere here in the road, wasn't it?
Yeah, maybe it's that over there.
Okay. Take a look over there, and that's Crystal Palace now.
Yep.
All right. So there it is, number 21. City Marshal Virgil Earp was ambushed and crippled for life as a result of the Earp Clanton gunfight on December 28, 1881. Cool.
She's right across the road.